Welcome to Cheeky Kids Land.
Hello kids, today I draw a cute family members, the four family members, a father and mother, a little girl and a little boy. Okay, so let's start drawing. First I draw a mother face, then a mouth, then two eyes. And then the nose, and then the mouth, and then I draw a hair, and this is the earrings, and now I draw the hand, and this is a cute little baby. The baby is sleeping. I draw the face, eyes, and this is a frog. And now I draw the legs. This is the shoes, the cute little shoes. Okay, I have done my mother drawing. Now I draw a cute baby girl. This is two little ponies. And this is the hair, eyes, nose, lips, eyelashes. This is a frog. Wow! This is the heart, and now I draw the legs and shoes. And now I draw a boy kid. This is the hair, the two eyes, nose, lips. And then I draw the hands and the shirt. And this is a pen of the kid. This is the shoes. I almost done my drawing. Now I draw a father of two little kids. This is the hair, eyes, nose, lips. This is the collar of the shirt. This is the hand. And this is a pen. The belt. Tie. This is the shoes. Okay kids, I have done my drawing. Then I draw a heart of the family. Okay, so let's start coloring. First I take the brown color for the hair. Which color hair do you have? Brown or black? Now I take the pink color for the mother's shirt. This is the green color. And this is the black color. She wore a black color shoes. This is the red color. The baby covered in a red color blanket. And now I use a yellow color for the skin, for the face. And now I color in baby girl. Okay, this is a black color. The baby have black color hair. And this is the orange color. This is the sky blue color and the baby. purple and then green. Wow! And again, I use yellow color for the skin. This is a black color. The baby boy also have black hair. This is a sky blue color because the boys have favorite blue color. This is a red color. And now, I use yellow color for their skin. The family has same color. And she also wear a black shoes. The father and the mother have brown color. This is a green color shirt. Which color do you like the most? The black tie, the purple belt, the blue pant. Yay! And this is a black color shoes. Everyone is wore a black color shoes. And her skin color, his skin color is same. And this is a red color heart for the family love. Okay kids, I have done my drawing. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Ta-ta!